Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how Cisco Modeling Lab teardown work. You can reserve Cisco Modeling Lab for 4 hours. And if you look at the output here, my Cisco Modeling Lab completed its setup around 5:52 p.m. and it started to do the teardown. You can see it ended my VPN connection to the sandbox by 21:40. Even though my reservation is 4 hours, it terminated the VPN connection 12 minutes before that 4-hour mark, and then VPN access was revoked, and it is calling for a teardown on applicable resources because it is running on the VM. So you can see now the teardown has completed. You can see even in here, in the output file here, teardown of all VMs complete, clear pod, ARP cache, successful, lab teardown complete, bye-bye. So basically they will start to tear down your setup 15 minutes before your 4-hour reservation time. So you need to plan accordingly. So now it is complete. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do another reservation. I'm going to go to Sandbox again, and you can see all of them have been completed. I'm going to go to reservations. I'm going to go to Sandbox Labs, Cisco Modeling Lab, reserve. Going to reserve another 4 hours. Reserve. It is on setup now. So when it doing the teardown in the last 15 minutes time, you cannot do a reservation because that will conflict with your previous reservation. So you have to wait until the teardown complete before you start the next reservation. Normally it takes about 9 minutes to get everything set up and for your lab to become active. You can see this is active now, and active sandbox will end in 3 hours 38 minutes. Even though you can see here 4 hours 3 minutes left, it says active sandbox will end in 3 hours 38 minutes. That means they are leaving that rest of the time for do the teardown process. So you need to understand what is this time means. If you want to know how to get your DevNet account get set up and get into the Cisco Modeling Lab for free, I will link that video in my description. If this video is helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.